So this ride is towards Vagamon. Vagamon is in Kottayam district and Idukki district. It's a border town, and most of the part is found in Idukki district, even though some parts are also found in Kottayam district. Now we are in the midlands of Kerala, riding through the zigzag roads, the rubber plantations, and many other plantations like coconut, plantain, etc. You can see the roads are very nice, but very narrow. As you can see, when you travel through Kerala, you can see the roads are very narrow. These are the co-riders. See the roads. So now we are riding towards Pala. From Pala we will be taking Vagamon route. Here the roads are very nice, but the turnings are very dangerous, so careful while driving. The roads are now empty. The sky is also clear. We are riding towards Pala. It's a place in Kottayam. Then from there, Peta. Then Vagamon. That is our destination. Now we are in a town, that is Pala. I already told you. So these are our co-riders. Most of them are excited to see Vagamon. This is their first time. Now you can see a signboard here. It is written Vagamon, then Peta. Some of the riders got confused. The city is so beautiful. The road is also very nice. While riding in a group, we have to be very careful. These are the co-riders. All are excited. Now we are in Peta. You can see the town of Peta. There is a bridge. We are riding towards, from here we will be riding towards Vagamon. The roads in this area is very nice. Some of the riders, they are confused. This is the town Peta. From here we need to take a right turn. Traffic is a bit problematic here. There are so many auto rickshaws. The town is a bit clean than any other towns. This town is also in the foothills of Western Ghats. Now you can see the Western Ghats. The road quality again worst. Now quality is very less. That is why the camera is also shaking. Sorry for that. Without seeing the board, some of the riders, they are just like hurry always. So they don't even look into the boards, signboards especially. Now we are riding through the hills. The road quality is also not that much good, but you can see the plantations of rubbers. All of us are visiting Vagamon first time, so we don't know exactly the location, the roads, etc. So based on the Google Earth we are following. Now we reach some village area. You can see the rubber plantations and the households. See the hills, the Western Ghats. The Western Ghat is so clear now. It's so beautiful to see Western Ghats and the rubber plantations and any other plantations. This road is very empty because it is going towards some village area or some waterfall. So we also thought to visit this waterfall. The road is very narrow since it's a village road. The greenery is very nice and the sky is so beautiful. We are all excited to see the waterfall. Whether water is available or not, that is another question. But the area is very nice. The rubber plantations are also very beautiful. Now you can see the Western Ghats very nicely. The sky is a bit foggy, but the greenery is very nice to see. Now we are riding towards one waterfall. While coming through this road, we saw a signboard. So we just follow that. You can see the plantation of pineapple and the Western Ghat. The sky is a bit clear now. It's a beautiful place. You can see the hairpin bend. Be careful while driving through this road. For riders it is very nice. The area is very beautiful. Very beautiful, very beautiful. There is a signboard written that Marmala Arvi or Marmala waterfall. Oh yeah, you can see the waterfall from here, but it's very difficult to go near to the waterfall because it's a bit far. So this is the ending of the road, so we will be taking some video and pictures from here. Now from that waterfall we are going back to Vagamon. This was the end of the road. You can see the mountain Western Ghats, Marmala Arvi. It's a very nice place. See the Vellani top from here. The riders are riding very carefully. This area is full of this rubber plantation. This road is also very nice. Now going back to Vagamon, that is Vellani top. It's also a very famous place, picnic spot. Down you can see Manimala river. And plantation of pine and plantation of pineapple is very common here. Pine is very common in Vagamon. This road is again, so many gutters can be seen in the road. So video also very shaky. The road is very nice. This is the major Vagamon road. You can see the beauty. Zigzag road. Yeah, what a beautiful location. See a private bus, St. George. A small waterfall. And the beauty. Wow, what a nice road for riders. The sky is also nice. This is the major attraction of Vagamon. But the road is not good. The maintenance of the road is also important since we are paying the tax. Road tax we are paying, but if the road is not good, whom to blame? In monsoon time, it will be very foggy. The greenery is increasing. You can see the greenery is also increasing. Now we are almost reaching Vagamon. This particular place is very famous in many Malayalam movies. You can see this. We can say that this is a ghat section connecting Kottayam district with Idukki district. That's why this is a kind of hilly road, and while riding through this road, especially the bike riders has to be prepared. Many tourists you can see here. This viewpoint is very famous, and you can get a very famous viewpoint. Please come and visit this area. But you can see many tourists, they are throwing the waste here. That is not good. The sky is also very nice. The view is very nice here. So these are the co-riders. They already came here. Now we will take some picture here. We are in almost Vagamon. You can see the tea plantations. Now we had a change in our plan. After visiting this Vagamon, we are going to Kumly, the border district of Idukki with Tamilnadu. From Kumly, we'll be riding towards Kambam, then Kambam Mettu. Again, we'll back to Kerala. From there, again, we will be going back to our Alapi district. So this is our another plan now. As we came here in Vagamon, for 1 day trip it is not good. If you are coming for a 2 day, 3 day camping and all, it is good. This place is very good. For just for a rider it is not that much, only for riding it is good. But we are not having any plan to stay overnight here. So that is why the reason we are going towards Kumly side, from there Kambam, then Kambam Mettu, then again coming back to this Kerala, then going to our place, native place. This is our another plan. So now we are almost crossed this area. Now we are going back to Kumly side. This road is also empty. Now we are riding towards Kumly part. The Vagamon, we have taken some of the photographs, and now since we are riders, we don't like to stay too much in a place, so We are riding towards Kumly side. This side the road is empty, not that much traffic. Since it's very rainy season, we don't carry any kind of raincoats or other gadgets. So that is why the reason we need to reach on time to Kumly. This full video is a long ride, just showing the localities, not showing the tourist places, but how to ride through the hilly areas and the major the roads, etc., the tea plantations and the beautiful places which comes across the ride. So it was not important to show the tourist places or the tourist attraction, just showing the beauty of Vagamon, the natural beauty of Vagamon and other places in Idukki district, especially in the Udumbanchola area and some other places where there is a huge area with tea plantations. Now we are running a bit late, but we could make it to visit the parts of Tamilnadu also. Mobile charge is also getting reduced, so we'll be covering a bit more places also. Sometimes the road condition is horrible. Some of the part you can see the road is under construction, but in some places the quality of the road is also very good. It's a long ride, and we took food from Vagamon. That was the major activity we have done in Vagamon. We're always trying to, our interesting part is just ride and ride and ride, rather stopping a place and taking some photographs. But still, some of the beautiful places we took photography also. I think we are reaching now Kumly. At last we reached in Tamil Nadu plain. You can see that the Western Ghats is behind us now. This is Tamil Nadu, Kumly Theni route. You can see the Western Ghats and the plain roads in Tamil Nadu.